Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Brandy Bliss, and on this channel we talk about hair, lifestyle and improving personalities. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're my returning subscriber, oh my god, thank you very much for the love and the support. On today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my DIY coconut milk conditioner for massive hair growth and also for repair. If you have dry hair, it's going to combat that. If your hair is not manageable, oh my god, just use this. You will see the result from the very first use. With that being said and done, let's get started straight to the video. The coconut milk, it's very good for the hair. It adds strength to the hair, and it's also an anti-dandruff fighter. And here with me is coffee, which reduces hair loss and adds strength to the hair, also promote hair growth. And I have almond oil here, and I also have the argan oil and another avocado oil. These are just the essentials that I mostly use. And here with me is aloe vera. Then introduce it in here. Just half of it. I'm just using half of it. And then just 1 teaspoon of this will do. And then all of this aloe vera here. One and 2 of it. It's all right. And for the avocado too. One and 2. Argan oil. I don't really need much of this. I just need some few drops. I just give some few drops in there, and that's it. Done. And then I will just mix this. Alright guys, I'll also be showing you how I applied this on my hair and the end result. This is how it looks like. Alright guys, I'll be going off camera to wash my hair and I'll be right back. So this is the end result. This is the end result. This is how my hair looks like. Soft, shiny. It looks amazing. Alright guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comment section how your own end result was. If it works for you. Alright guys, I'll just go off camera and wash my hair. Alright guys, I'm back and this is how my hair looks like. Soft, shiny and amazing. Please let me know in the comment section if you use this and how it reacted to your hair. You just let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.